In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any 2D element into 3D in Canva. Convert 2D logo to 3D. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a clean 3D version of your logo, text, or image ready to use in your design. Start inside your Canva design. On the left-hand panel, look for the Apps tab. Click it, then use the search bar to find an app called 3D Maker. When it appears, go ahead and install it. Installation only takes a moment, and once it's added, you'll be able to access it from your apps list anytime. Next, select the 2D element you want to transform. This could be a logo you've uploaded, a piece of text you typed in Canva, or any graphic on your canvas. With that element selected, open the 3D Maker app. Choose the option that says Convert Design to 3D. Before you proceed, set the background to transparent. This is important because a transparent background makes it easy to place your new 3D element over any color, photo, or layout without an unwanted box or backdrop. Now use the live preview to refine the look. Start by rotating the element and adjusting the viewing angle. You can tweak horizontal rotation to turn it left or right, and vertical rotation to tilt it up or down. Small changes go a long way here, so nudge the sliders until the perspective feels natural and matches how you want it to sit in your layout. Then adjust the depth. This controls how thick or extruded your element appears. If it's too shallow, it may look flat, too deep, and it can feel bulky. Aim for a depth that adds dimension while keeping your shapes crisp and readable. Use the preview to check everything together, the angle, the depth, and how the edges look. If you see any stretching or distortion, pull back slightly on the rotation or the depth to keep the lines clean. When you're happy with the preview, click Add to Design. Your new 3D version will appear right on your canvas. From here, you can position it, scale it, and align it with other elements in your layout. If you want variations like a different angle or depth, simply repeat the process on the original 2D element and add another version to your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.